Welcome, Milano family, to another episode of the Milano Cooking Show. What recipes do we love? The ones that are delicious and easy. All right, chicken enchiladas. And mind you, this one, it's put together so fast. You zip it in, put it together, pop it in the oven, and bada bing, bada boom, done. So, recipes down below, but watch this. All right, Milano family. So yet again, I have some extra rotisserie chicken. So we're gonna put together, we're really gonna whip this up. Super easy enchiladas. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a little bit of butter and we're just gonna brown it here, okay? We're going to add in some green onion. We're gonna add in some garlic powder. We're gonna stir that up. We're gonna take a can of cream of mushroom soup and we're gonna pop that in. Okay, we're gonna mix this all together. We're gonna add in a 4-ounce can of diced green chilies. If you wanna go a little less, go a little less, but I like to go for the gusto. I didn't drain it either. So we're gonna mix these up. And then once it's completely stirred, we're gonna save some of the sauce. So don't forget. We're gonna put in about a half a cup of sour cream. Okay, we're gonna mix this. I'm going to take about 3/4 of it and put it aside. Now we're going to add in the chicken. This is how it should look. It's nicely mixed. It's not too dry. Look at that. Beautiful. We're going to roll these up super quick. I'm going to lay these like this. Okay, we're going to roll. And we're going to put them in the baking dish, seam side down. We now have 6 beautiful wrapped up tortillas. Gorgeous. We're going to take a half a cup, about a 1/4 cup, excuse me, of milk, and we're going to add it to the sauce. We're going to pop it in the oven, for about, I'm going to say about 30 minutes or so. I'm going to add in a little more garlic powder. Remember, we want to get those edges. Look at this. So let's get some cheese. And again, we do not go cheap on cheese. All right, so let's take a little look-see. Looking fabulous. I think I'm going to put a little bit of pepper. Okie dokie, so we're ready to put in the oven, 350, about 30 minutes. We'll be back in a flash. Okay, so just pop this out of the oven. Look at this. So simple. I'm gonna just cut a little. Whoa, that looks divine. So check out the recipe down below. Taste it. Tell me how you like it. I want to hear your opinions. Come on. And I want to hear some of your dishes. So we will see you hopefully in the showroom, but we'll definitely see you on the next episode of the Milano Cooking Show. We'll see you then.